Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Happy New Year's Eve to my US cuties and Happy New Year's to my cuties around the rest of the world. Can't believe how fast this year has gone by, and it's time again for me to put together a look back poster for you of 2021. As always, just go to my website at jossaq.com and you can download it for free for your own personal use, of course. I really hope you love it and that looking at all of my drawings together inspires you. I still can't believe I've been a YouTuber for over 6 years now, and I continue to count my blessings that I'm able to do what I love while inspiring so many of you. I'm always so grateful for your support, and I appreciate all your comments and requests and ideas on how I can improve to help you better. So please definitely do that in the comments below as always. Also, let me know what was your favorite drawing this year, or maybe a drawing that I helped you with and that you're just so proud of that it came out the way you wanted it and that I was able to help you. So cuties, I will see you next year with more cuteness, hopefully. And thank you always for being such loving and loyal cuties. I love you, and please stay safe and keep smiling.